And in the hectic day-to-day life of a kitchen, it can easily happen that the power supply of your UJA kebab knife is exposed to splashes of water, oil, or cleaning agents. Our custom-fit protective film ensures safety in such cases. It reliably protects against moisture, grease splashes, and steam. Ideal for open or heavily used work areas. Easy to apply and reusable at any time. The film was specially developed for UJA power supplies. Important. If the power supply is not stored permanently in a dry, protected area, it is strongly recommended to use the protective film. This way, you extend the lifespan of your kebab knife and avoid unnecessary breakdowns. And if the protective film ever becomes dirty or damaged, you can conveniently reorder it anytime from our online shop. UYAR. Thoughtful accessories for greater safety and hygiene.